Imagine getting paid by YouTube while taking a 4-week vacation to New Zealand with my daughter. Wouldn't that be sweet? Watch this video as I hike subtropical rainforests, kayak on oceans, bathe in natural hot pools, sail to an offshore island, and snorkel crystal clear waters as I generate a passive income from YouTube. It paid for my flight to and from New Zealand. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. One of the slowest ways to make money from YouTube is through Adsense ads. It's like climbing a mountain. At first you won't see so much result, but as you make more and more effort, you reach the mountaintop and make a substantial income. The revenue generated from my Adsense ads paid for half of my flight to New Zealand. Way up there it is, going up to the top.
We made it!
Mount Mania!
Mount Mania!
Whangarei! Promoting affiliate products is another way to generate revenue from YouTube. The beauty about promoting affiliate products is that someone else creates the product and all the marketing materials. All you have to do is to promote the affiliate link and you'll generate up to 50 or 60% commissions. It's similar to paddling a kayak to get across a body of water. You rent the kayak and the paddle to get across to the other side. The effort that you invest to sell affiliate products is similar to the effort that you invest to paddle a kayak to the other side of the body of water. Another way I made money on YouTube while on vacation was selling my own products. This included courses and ebooks based upon the needs of my target audience. It's similar to sailing, where you set the sails according to the wind direction your customers to reach your final destination, your finished product. Consulting with clients was another way that helped pay for my vacation from YouTube. I did several consultations before leaving for my trip to New Zealand. I compare this to snorkeling, where you're searching for the best fish or shells your customers to interact with. Once you've found them, you can begin interacting with them. When you've worked hard to grow a YouTube channel, it's worth taking a break to make new plans, relieve stress, and recharge your batteries. I compare this to soothing my muscles in natural hot springs after going on a long hike. After taking a break, you're ready to make new plans. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to make money from YouTube even while you're on vacation? If that's a yes, watch the next video on 4 strategies on how to generate a passive income from YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.